If I only had 5 minutes to build a WhatsApp chatbot, here's how I would do it. So I've been building chatbots for over 6 years, and Chatbase is one of the fastest platforms to create chatbots. So that's what we use today. So you can just go to chatbots.com/cb and it will bring you directly to the Chatbase website. And then here you can click on build your agent for free and sign up with a Chatbase account. Then once you are in, then you can just click here on new AI agent to create your chatbot. And for this video, we will use My Jewellery as an example, which is a huge e-commerce brand here in the Netherlands. So we will just train their bot on their customer service pages. So you can just grab the URL and then we can paste that over here. And then as a use case, we will set it up as a customer support agent and then click on continue. And then now Chatbase will automatically fetch the logo, fetch the brand colors, fetch the links, adjust the prompts and create our chatbot. And now the chatbot has been trained on 15 links, and you can also train in another sources, but we don't have any time for that. So we are just going to click on train and continue. And then we can give the agent the name. So we will just call this Lisa. We can add the primary color and we can also add a logo. So I will add the logo over here. Click on use image. We're going to zoom out a little bit. Do it like this. Looks good. And then here we can give it custom instructions, but we will just go with the customer support agent instructions and click on confirm settings. And now the agent has been trained and we can directly test it out. So here we can message it, hey, how can I track the status of my order? And then it replies with, you can track your order with the track and trace code. As soon as your parcel is dispatched from a warehouse, you will get this. So it replies to that automatically based on what it has been trained on the website. And then here we can also send, and what is the return term for online items? And as you can see, it replies to that automatically as well. So I think it replies in a good way. And if you think the answer isn't good, you can improve the answer yourself. So you can just refresh the page and then you can go to activity and then go to chat logs. And then here you can see all the conversations that you had with your agent. And then here, if you think this answer isn't good, you can just click here on revise answer and then give the expected response. And then Chatbase will automatically learn from that and will update its answers. And what I recommend is to have 10 or 20 test conversations, update the bad answers. And once you're happy with it, you can connect it to WhatsApp. So in order to do that, you can just go here to deploy. Then scroll down until you see WhatsApp and then click here on setup. And then if you're not logged into Facebook, you first need to log into Facebook. Then you can click here on continue as Joran. Then we will click on get started. And then we need to fill in your business information. So if you don't have a business in Meta yet, you can just create a new one. I already have one, so I'll just click here on next. And then you need to select your WhatsApp business account. So again, I already have one, but if you don't, you can just create a new one. In this case, I would just go with Chatbot's demo. And I'll also go with this number that I already created. In your case, you can just create a new account and a new business profile. Then click on next. Then click on confirm, and now it is connected. And if you don't have a number yet in your Meta business or in WhatsApp, you can just add a new number and verify that number with a text message. And I recommend just buying a new number at a local telecom provider. So once you have done that, you can just click here on finish. And then if you refresh this page, you can just scroll down and then click here on manage. And then you can see that it is active. So if we now go to WhatsApp, then we can say the same thing. We say, hey, what is your delivery time? And then it automatically replies with, if you order before 12, your package is shipped from our warehouse within 1 to 2 working days. And that's it. That's how I would create a WhatsApp chatbot in 5 minutes. It's that simple. And this is just a very simple setup, but you can do much more in Chatbase. You can also train it on more data sources. You can give it access to action so it can actually do stuff and much more. And this is just a very simple setup to get you started. And Chatbase is perfect if you just want a simple AI bot answering questions. But if you want a WhatsApp chatbot to actually qualify leads and book appointments, you need something more advanced. So in the next video, I will show you how to build a full AI appointment booking chatbot on WhatsApp.